Algorithm's Neural Mix stem separation technology can be controlled in real time directly from your Reloop Buddy. With any vocal tracks loaded to your decks, activate Neural Mix pad mode by holding the mode button and pressing pad 7. Press them a second time to open the Neural Mix panel in DJ. You can now instantly solo the drum stem of any track in real time by toggling pad 1 or by holding and pressing pad 5. You can do the same for the harmonic stem of the track by toggling pad 2 on and off or by pressing and holding pad 6. And likewise, you can also solo the vocal stem by toggling pad 3 on and off or by pressing and holding pad 7. You can even combine the stems by triggering multiple pads at the same time. In a similar fashion, toggling pad 4 on and off or pressing and holding pad 8 will mute the drum stem of the selected track whilst simultaneously activating the solo drum stem of the track on the other deck, which essentially creates a drum swap on the fly. Another way of controlling Neural Mix with your Reloop Buddy is via Neural Mix EQ mode. You can activate Neural Mix EQ mode by holding Shift and pressing the headphone cue button of the desired channel. This converts the regular functions of your EQs and filter knobs into stem controls for vocals, harmonics and drums. To revert back to regular EQ and filter controls, simply hold Shift and press the illuminated headphone cue button again to deactivate Neural Mix EQ mode.